one thing that I talked about briefly on the seminar is that if you actually do split testing, then it's going to help you find an audience faster. So you can test out page admins, you can test out people that are interested in being teachers, educators, etc. Just do all those tests, run split testing, try to find them, and then even sometimes people that are going to be just great coaches, but they don't know it yet, you want to try to find them too. Learn how to capture attention. My job is to wake people up.
Messenger and email, so I use the Messenger to register them in a couple of clicks. My challenge is getting in front of people who use webinars. Does the question make sense?
That they actually go through content on webinar, or do they actually deliver webinars? Which one are you looking for?
People, so coaches, consultants, service providers who deliver webinars.
You're looking for the people that are coaches.
Yeah.
Okay, there's no particular targeting right now that you can find directly for people that deliver webinars, but you can look at the actual companies that deliver webinar and use those as interests. For example, you can look for, on Facebook, people that are interested in Zoom, or go to webinar, or go to meeting, or all those interests that are going to be somehow connected to the webinar delivery platform, and you can plug those in to try to find them on social media.
I tried that and
it didn't work. It's not very specific yet.
Obvious thing to do, but
you got to go for the coaches then. Just go for the coaches.
So
okay?
how? What does that look like?
Same. It's going to be interest-based targeting. So you got to look at using audience insights or going into the interest section and looking for people that are interested in spreading the word. Look at for business entrepreneurs, people that own Facebook pages. For example, you can actually have as an actual target page admins, and that's something to try it out. But again, it's one thing that I talked about briefly on the seminar is that if you actually do split testing, then it's going to help you find an audience faster. So you can test out page admins, you can test out people that are interested in being teachers, educators, etc. Just do all those tests, run split testing, try to find them, and then even sometimes people that are going to be just great coaches, but they don't know it yet, you want to try to find them too. People that are going to maybe they're going to get interested in becoming webinar deliverers or so. They don't know that yet. They just like teaching.
So then I'm going to have to teach them on the concept of webinars, which is not what I'm looking for.
You're not looking for that, yeah.
People who are already doing webinars, but they want to scale.
Yeah.
So having a funnel around their webinar would do that, and they understand that, but they don't know how to do it, or they don't want to do it. I will quite happily do it. So it's those kind of people that I'm actually looking to get myself in front of.
Right. Do you have a Facebook group?
I don't.
You don't? Okay. Do you have a content strategy already?
No.
Okay.
So I'm looking to start one.
So what you need to do is do a content strategy, start doing some videos, start pushing the videos out with core audience targeting, Facebook's data, and then building an audience of people that are consuming 50% or more of your videos. And those are the ones that you want to retarget because they're warmer. If they sit down and they watch a video in which you talk about delivery of webinars, you know you have somebody that is interested in what you have to offer. So your strategy would be invest money on getting your content seen by them, and then retarget the ones that are consuming the content.
So you're saying use paid advertising to get in front of
Absolutely. That's how I did my Natural Slim, my dad's brand, Dr. Berg's. We actually invest money with a guaranteed negative ROI.
Yeah.
Because we just want to invest on people getting to see the content, and that's how you find these guys.
Right. Okay. We'll do that and see how it goes.
It's a funnel, right? You grab these videos, you put it out there with some basic targeting, and then you retarget them with the ones that are consuming the content.
Yeah.
And you start building that and bringing them into Messenger and along the way. Right?
Yeah, I understand the principle. But then it's the content, and I'm like, because you know when you know something and it's second nature to you, and you're writing it, it doesn't make sense.
Just don't do the video. If you don't feel comfortable, don't start there. Start running articles and start advertising those, and then retarget them. Okay? So start with written content. You got to do one or the other.
Yeah.
It's inevitable.
Yeah. Well, you've given us a lot of ideas. So
Good.
I can certainly try.
All right, great.
I'll let you know how it goes.
Okay,
Thank
fantastic.
you so much for your time.
All right.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.